what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently XRP price action returning to the previously mentioned key range of accumulation here. $1.09 was the support level mentioned in the previous XRP analysis that I suggested price action looked to be headed to based on the rejection from resistance overhead. $1.27 previously had given us a hard time as resistance before and sent us down to this area of accumulation, and here we have price action interacting with it in a very bullish manner in my opinion, as we see the buy pressure returning as prices bounce off of it. So we're looking for daily candles continuing to open and close above this $1.09 level to further confirm it as support. We're looking for continued buy pressure, price action above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting the uptrend is very much forming. We're still under the influence of buy signals, so we are very bullish on continued upside. In my opinion, we're just further establishing the support here. As you can see, the buy pressure and demand for XRP at current levels is very much present. Price action under the influence of a different set of robo advisors here. This combination of robo advisors allowed us to see up to 92% in gains when it suggested a bullish area of accumulation back at the end of July there, and you were still able to capitalize on 44% in gains when this combination of robo advisors became bearish on price action, and when the sell signals came into play. We did experience up to 18% in downside before becoming bullish again, and price action has been bullish since the first couple weeks of October here throughout this phase of tight consolidation and sideways along support. We've been supported by buy signals, currently interacting with the levels that these buy signals came in near. So in my opinion, I do believe we're still bullish on continued upside. We're just waiting for further confirmations of support. We're still watching out for $1.55 per XRP as my immediate short-term target for price action moving forward. Once we've broken and confirmed it as support, we can use it as a bullish area of accumulation. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. We have tons of support down below here for us. If we were to make our way downward here, we have the $1.09 key level, the 200 daily moving average, and the most bullish area of support waiting for price action. 94 cents, in my opinion, is going to be the strongest area of technical support, in my opinion. Let me know what you're doing with XRP at current levels. Now, Solana against USDT, price action making its way upward here, currently looking for support, interacting with resistance. Price action headed toward a potential bullish area of buy pressure here. We're looking for support near $202.37 per Solana. That is going to be potential support waiting for us. A more significant area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $174.71. That is going to be a stronger area of potential technical support for us in any sort of downside here, in addition to a potential key level all the way down at $142. So we do have a bunch of areas of support waiting for us if you were to experience any sort of downside here. We're waiting for a break of local resistance overhead. Sell pressure present at $249 is going to be the key level. We are waiting for a break of currently acting as resistance here for us. Price action still very bullish in my opinion. We are still under the influence of some very bullish buy signals coming into play all the way back in the end of July here. We have the buy 1 on the 24th and the buy 4 on the 29th, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near $31 per Solana. And after accumulation, we experience up to 725% in gains over the following 100 days, an easy 8x return on your investment after EngineeringRobo became bullish on Solana. And so we're currently still sitting on 596% ROI at current levels with no sell signals present. We need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bearish on price action to suggest a potential area of take profit. At the moment, we are under the influence of all 3 of our chosen robo advisors still bullish on price action, so we do anticipate continued upside once support has been found. So price action well above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. We're supported by some very bullish buy signals ever since July there. We're just looking for continued support. Watch out for these technical key levels. Let me know what you're doing with Solana down below. Now, Polkadot against Tether, price action making its way upward here, looking for support, interacting with resistance. We have sideways during this uptrend, in my opinion. Prices above this 200 daily moving average suggest buy pressure present and an uptrend overall. We're just looking for, continued support and buy pressure for price action. We're looking at some, interesting robo advisors coming into play here. If we look at this, previous combination of buy signals suggesting a bullish area of accumulation back toward the end of July near $15 per Polkadot. We see two of our chosen three robo advisors become bullish on price action after accumulation. We experience up to 152% in gains, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And if you weren't able to sell above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 102% ROI with this combination of robo advisors sell suggestions that came into play near $30.87 per Polkadot. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so you pick three of the many different robo advisors, and once two of your chosen three give you a bullish or bearish suggestion, you can use that to determine your accumulation or take profit levels. And so as you can see, when those sell signals came into play through this phase of sideways here, another bullish area of accumulation was suggested when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish on price action on the 9th of October near $36 per Polkadot. And so after that bullish area of accumulation, we experienced up to 50% in gains over the following 26 days. And if you weren't able to sell above at or around that swing high, technically, a lot of our robo advisors have become bearish on the November 16th daily candle here. Technically, if you sold at this key level with these sell signals came into play, you were able to capitalize on 12% ROI. So easy capitalization on gains with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions still. However, in my opinion, I'd like to point out a potential area of sideways similar to price action, between perhaps September to sort of October here. We see prices enter this phase of sideways, interacting with resistance, bouncing off of support, interacting with buy and sell suggestions through this phase of sideways. So in my opinion, I do believe we are entering a phase of sideways here, looking for continued support, and I do believe these buy signals will return. In my opinion, though, we should wait for these buy signals to return to be more comfortably bullish on accumulation, wait for more confident interactions with support. The most bullish area of support waiting for us is going to be $36.83 in my opinion. That is going to be a key technical area of accumulation. Price action currently interacting with buy pressure near $42.38. That is going to be a bullish area of support if daily candles continue to open and close above it. And we're waiting for a break of resistance overhead, $48.54. Those are going to be the key levels we're waiting for interaction with. We're looking out for buy signals to return. There's definitely buy pressure present. I do believe we're in an uptrend still. We're just waiting for continued support. Let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels. Now, Ethereum price action interacting with a key area of support during this phase of sideways here. We're returning to this key area of accumulation. In my opinion, we're looking for continued support off of suggested key level here, $4,198 per Ethereum, acting as support yet again. We have resistance overhead, $4,383 per Ethereum, may be sell pressure here for us. And we also have newly added key level, $4,612 waiting for us as potential resistance overhead as well. So price action unfolding as expected in my opinion, currently under the influence of a different combination of robo advisors. And as we can see under this combination of robo advisors, we have all three of them bullish on price action still. We have no sell signals present influencing any sort of downside here. So this does suggest we are still bullish on continued upside for Ethereum. We are just very much establishing these final key areas of support to allow the healthy continuation of the uptrend. And so in my opinion, we are still very much bullish on price action. We're just waiting for continued technical confirmations. In my opinion, you should be buying through these lows. However, let me know what you're doing with Ethereum at current levels now. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently interacting with a very key area of accumulation. We have tremendous buy pressure and support coming off of previously aforementioned in every previous analysis video. Key level here, $58,800 per Bitcoin is so far still at this current point the most bullish area of support waiting for us here through this phase of sideways. We're experiencing tremendous buy pressure off of it. Currently experiencing resistance, in my opinion, off of previous support level. We have this, newly added $60,800 kind of key level here. We are waiting for buy pressure and support off of. We have fallen below it, and we are experiencing resistance off of it. An easy, support turned resistance. Technical confirmation suggesting, forward moving price action. This may suggest another interaction downward here towards support off of 58,800, and so technically we're just waiting for continued confirmations off of it. Daily candles opening and closing above it, further confirming it as support. Failure to hold it will bring us down into a new key range here of further buy pressure, in my opinion. So any sort of downside or sideways we do experience, or dips that present themselves, I do believe is going to be very bullish for us in the uptrend overall in the longer term. I still am anticipating a six-figure Bitcoin. Nothing moving forward is tremendously bearish in my personal opinion, and under the influence of different robo advisors, all three of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action ever since the beginning of October here. So it is all about perspective. Let me know down below if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin currently. What are you doing with Bitcoin at current levels? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.